Hello and welcome to another modelling video. This is Alan from the Makona Man at YouTube with another review. Today we're going to be looking at a budget ultrasonic cleaner. At least this boxing is the cheapest version I can come across online. Specifications are pretty much 30-50 watts. Dual transformer for 110 and 220 volt outlets for various countries. This one has a European plug, and the most important part, the bath size is 600 milliliters, enough to take one of these Chinese food containers and put your airbrush in it. As I'll be using solvents, it is ill-advisable to put it in the container as it will create corrosion and whatnot and can potentially break your cleaner. Nicely packaged for when it's being shipped and whatnot. Instructions are fairly inefficient. Make sure you have liquid in the mechanism at all time. It does advise against flammable and corrosive chemicals, thus why the container is such a good idea, as well as how the buttons and whatnot work. We've got our mechanism here, on off, different power, and a lid to keep everything on with the bath itself. We'll fill it up with water and strip down our airbrush. So I've been having a little trouble with my Ophir premium airbrush, and the inside is absolutely gunked. It's more than a constant year of use. I've pulled it apart and did a basic clean, but never an ultrasonic clean. These are the parts that will not be going in the cleaner. Eventually I'll do a honing your airbrush skills video and do an update on how this airbrush is going and how to do a full pull part clean maintenance. But we're only putting these components in, and the actual main body has been assembled to protect one very important sealant. So I've got everything loaded up, turned on. The 30 watts go for a shorter time, the 50 watts go for a longer time. And watch the smoke rise. I am absolutely astounded, as I always am every time, how much gunk has come out. It's time to pull it out, wipe it down, re-lubricate and put back together. I've removed the water. The airbrush is nicely clean, packed, ready to go. I did notice the water did get really warm to the point of being hot. I could see how flammable chemicals can be a big problem. So definitely use the water. Supervise it while you're ultrasonic cleaning. If you're just using water or detergent, which you should be using the Chinese food container, you could go at it for half an hour or whatever, though no more than 5-10 minutes for anything else. That said, very good mechanism, we'll recommend, we'll use. Thank you very much for watching. As always, until next time, stay tuned for further content. We'll catch you guys later. Just a quick 30-second shill. I am sponsored and working with Best Gear. I have an affiliate link to products only I use, trust, and reviewed here before. If you do wish to purchase this with free shipping, the link down below will certainly help me out. I have also purchased a few items as well as receiving a couple via sponsorship. The shipping, pricing, as well as customer service seems to be quite up to scratch. If you feel obliged, pick it up with confidence.